Hello, welcome back to Dimples in Arabian Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is white sauce pasta, classic bechamel sauce pasta. So our core ingredient is penne pasta, which is around 2 cups of penne pasta, 3 cups of water and salt as per your taste. To begin with, you need to add the pasta into a saucepan. Then add the water, which is around 3 cups of water, and boil the pasta for good 8 to 10 minutes. Salt as per your taste or 1 tablespoon. Accordingly, you can also follow the instruction given on the pasta packet. So for me, it was just 8 minutes to boil my pasta. Now drain the pasta. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil so that it doesn't stick together, and just a quick mix. And the ingredients for the white sauce or the bechamel sauce are as follows: 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 whole garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of herb mix powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, half small onion chopped, and 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, and 550 ml or 1.5 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of flour, salt as per your taste. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, and to this, please add 1 tablespoon of oil together. Please note that you need to keep the flame onto the lowest point of heat. To avoid burning the butter, the reason I'm adding is oil. Now to this add the garlic, which has been finely chopped. Saute the garlic for good 1 minute. To this I'm adding the 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, which is optional, but it really enhances the taste. So I'm adding this powder. Just give it a quick mix. It might turn a slight brown in color, which is okay. Now you can add 3 tablespoons of flour, and to remove the raw texture or the taste of the flour, you just need to keep mixing them with the help of a whisk. Gentle reminder to subscribe my channel if you haven't. To this you can add the milk batch wise. This is around 1.5 cup of milk, which I'm adding slowly, very slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Simultaneously, just keep on mixing them with the help of a whisk. The reason for mixing them continuously and adding the milk into batches is to avoid all kind of lumps, or else it's completely ruined. So I'm accordingly doing this step by step to avoid any kind of lumps and to get a thick, perfect consistency just like this. Just need 2 to 3 minutes to simmer and cook them onto a perfect consistency. Then you can add the half chopped onion, which is also optional, but I do like the taste of the onion, so I haven't browned them, I haven't sauteed them, I'm just adding directly. This actually gives a very good taste. Please add the black pepper right now and save a little. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, or you can just save a little more. And then add 1 tablespoon of herb mix powder. Just give it a quick mix. Let all the spices infuse into the bechamel sauce. Just cook for good 2 minutes. Make sure that you have kept the flame onto the lowest point of heat and keep mixing them. At this point of time, you can add 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste to the bechamel sauce, and just a quick mix. Now just add the pre-done pasta, which has been cooked to perfect for good 8 minutes, and give it a quick mix all together. Let it simmer. Let the sauce infuse into the pasta. Just be slow and be gentle. See that you don't break the pasta into pieces. So just a quick mix, that's it. Top it up with some crushed pepper or salt, and if you do not wish to add more salt, then just skip it altogether. But please do add some crushed black pepper. It really enhances the taste. Switch off the flame and serve them hot. So a classic bechamel or white sauce pasta is all set and ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe today. Please do share this recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching Dimples in Arabian Journey. Stay connected.